Why are we here?
You don't know?
I don't know.
Okay, I wanted to film this video because I have a surprise for Nana, and I'm really bad at keeping secrets, so I've decided I have to tell her. Plus, I started researching my secret a little bit, and I found out that I have to tell her. She needs to know so she can prepare herself. So we are gonna go and climb a volcano or a mountain. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure it's a volcano. Anyway, it's a really big mountain / volcano, and they are. Okay. I don't think she's gonna be happy. They're gonna come getting us at 1:15 in the morning.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna walk up the volcano for like 3 hours, but then we get to see the sunrise.
Like in the morning, like in the night.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we get to see the sunrise. Yay!
Okay.
And then we get to eat cookies and stuff on the mountain.
Okay, now I'm happy.
And then afterwards, they're gonna take us to a hot spring.
Yeah.
And I get to drink coffee. You don't like coffee, but they take us to like a coffee plantation.
Oh, nice.
And then we're gonna go home again.
Well, I like it.
I know, but I think it's gonna be hard.
Why?
It's like they wake us up at like 1:15 and take us to the mountain. Let's say we're at the mountain like 2 o'clock. The sun rises at 6, and they say we're gonna hit the mountaintop at like 5:45.
Like,
so we're gonna be walking for like 3 hours.
Yeah. What I'm thinking is that this is gonna be hard for you.
Yeah, I know.
Because like 1, you're really bad at being up in the morning. 2, you're like, you hate walking. Like you don't like.
This is a good idea.
Yes, but I like. It sounds amazing. I'm so happy. It's a good surprise.
We're gonna go climb a volcano.
Good morning. So it's like 1:30 in the morning, and we are going on the volcano hike, and we're really excited. The car will be here any minute. And we're ready to go. A little bit tired, but excited. We're here. We're at the volcano, and we drove for 2 hours to get here. And I think the walk will be like
2 hours.
2 hours.
Up and down. Oh, up. 2 hours down.
And after this, after we get up there, we'll get something to eat, and then we walk down again. Yay. And then, yeah, that's the first part. But we're here. It's so beautiful. There's so many stars.
Can't see anything.
But you can see the stars.
That's true.
And we can't wait to see what it looks like in daylight.
Yeah. Alright guys, what's up? We have made it to the top of the, I'm gonna call it a volcano. It was rough. I almost didn't make it. But I have banana sandwiches and eggs at the top, so I'm better now. And it turns out that you can ride like not quad bikes, but like dirt bikes on the way down. Well, obviously they're gonna drive, but I think I'm gonna take a dirt bike taxi on the way down. And then, yeah, we got to see this.
We made it!
Just.
It was easy. It was not a problem. My back did not hurt at all from 20.3, so...
Respect for life. Ready for anything. Hashtag prepare for the unknown. We suck. Alright guys, what do you do when you get up at 1 o'clock in the morning, climb a mountain, ride down it on a dirt bike? You go to this place.
Do you feel relaxed from here?
Fucking flies. Fucking hate them.
Are you relaxing?
I'm trying. This is the most stressed I've been since we come here.
We're so tired and we just want to sleep, but there's like flies everywhere. So
I'm on a mission. Kill all flies in the world.
the view is nice. The flies not that much.
Alright guys. What do you do when you get up at 1 o'clock? Climb a mountain, ride down it on a dirt bike, and after you've been to the healing waters of a hot spring, you go drink coffee. Yes. And not just any coffee. Coffee that this guy shits out. Hey!
Just to mention, this guy does not sit in here
No.
all his life.
He gets released after today.
Yeah, so they take turns on being on display, and otherwise they just run around shitting coffee. So
pretty much.